Tired of guessing project costs and struggling with accurate invoicing? Let's unlock the power of hourly rates in Clockify in just 90 seconds. First, make sure you're an admin or owner of your Clockify workspace. This feature is only accessible with those permissions. Next, navigate to your Workspace Settings by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select Workspace Settings from the drop-down menu. Now, find the Members tab, usually located on the left-hand side of the screen. Click on it to view the list of members in your workspace. Here, you'll see all the people who are part of your team in Clockify. Select the team member you wish to set an hourly rate for. Clicking on their name will open their profile. Within their profile details, you should see a field labeled hourly rate or something similar. Click the edit icon next to the amount to start entering the hourly rate. A pop-up window will appear allowing you to input the hourly rate, enter the appropriate numerical value for their rate, and select the correct currency from the drop-down menu. You can also specify date range for when that hourly rate applies. This is useful for handling pay raises or contract changes. Clockify uses these hourly rates to calculate project costs automatically as team members track their time. You can view these costs broken down by project in the reports section, giving you better insights into profitability and resource allocation. These rates also flow directly into the invoicing feature, making creating accurate and detailed invoices a breeze. No more manual calculations or guesswork. Clockify handles it all for you. It's that simple. By setting up hourly rates, you can streamline your workflow, track project costs with greater precision, and simplify your invoicing process.